We're about to write or produce a macro which is going to take our spreadsheet and it's going to allow us to sort our data over here somehow. So if you look at the instruction we've got here, it says create a macro to sort the summary table alphabetically by student name. So the way we're going to do this is first of all we need to allow ourselves to get to the macro tools. We click on the file menu on the left here, we go down to the bottom where it says options, and then bizarrely you're going to go down this left list here to find this one that says Customize Ribbon. Click on it, and then on this screen over on the right hand side you'll notice there are various options, one of which is Developer, and there's no tick in there, so we're going to put a tick in that box and then we're going to click OK. And you'll notice this new menu has appeared right here, and it has various options on, including these ones on the left here for macros, and we want to record a macro. So we're going to click a button, and as it says here, each of the commands you perform will be saved into the macro so that you can play them back again. We click on record macro, and then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it sort summary with no spaces. The shortcut key is going to be control, and I'm going to do control L. Store the macro in this workbook, and then the description is going to be sort the summary table into alphabetical order on student name, and I click OK. So now the computer is recording the macro. You can see it's recording it up here. It says stop recording, so if I click on that it's going to do that. I'm going to choose my table. I'm going to click on cell A1 and I'm going to drag down towards H11 to select my table. I'm then going to go into data. I'm going to sort, and I'm going to ask it, I'm going to say my data has headings, and I'll sort on column A, values A to Z. Click OK, and the table sorts. Now, having done that, I'm going to go back to my developer menu and press stop recording to stop recording the macro. The macro is now recorded. So if I want to play my macro back, let's first of all just take this table here and change the sort order. So I'm going to go back into data. I'm going to say click on the sort button, and I'm going to sort on column, I don't know, let's sort on a different column. Let's sort on the average test grade and click OK. And you notice the order's completely changed. So now if I go into developer, find my macros, and I choose the sort summary and click run, what I should see is that the table resorts into a different order, which it's just done. So I now know that my macro is working. That's my macro recorded. Now I can attach it to a button